become future stars. Chapter 10. Light, Sound and Force. Light, sound and force are important in our life. Here's why. Light helps us to see the things around us. We hear different sounds with the help of our ears. We apply force to pull and push objects. The knowledge of all these things is essential in our day-to-day life. Light. We cannot see anything in the dark because our eyes need light to see different things. Light is a form of energy that helps us to see things. We can only see when light enters our eyes. Light is very important for us. All living things on the earth depend on the energy from the sunlight. Plants cannot make their food without sunlight. Brainy bites. Sun is the biggest source of natural light. Light-giving objects. Some natural objects like the sun and the moon give us light. Some man-made objects like the bulbs and candle also give us light. Objects that give light are called luminous objects. Tube light, matchsticks, yellow bulb, torch, candle, LED. Most objects do not give light. Objects which do not give light are called non-luminous objects. For example, the desk, chair, school bag, water bottle, etc. Desk, chair, school bag, water bottle. Shadow. A shadow is formed when something blocks the path of light. Shadows are longer in the morning and evening and shorter in the afternoon. Shadows always appear to be black or dark. They are always formed on the side opposite to the source of light and can be bigger or smaller than the object. Brainy bites. Sound is made by vibrations. Sound. Ears are one of our sense organs. They help us to hear the sounds in our everyday life. We hear different kinds of sounds, for example, sounds of animals, human beings, horns, vehicles, aeroplanes, etc. Sound generating means soft and pleasant sounds are good to hear. They make the surroundings pleasant. However, unpleasant and loud sound can irritate us. This is called noise. Loud sound can cause noise pollution, which can damage our ears. People may even become deaf due to continuous exposure to loud noise. We should always keep the volume of television, radio, etc. low. In big gatherings, people keep the volume of speakers too loud, which makes it difficult to hear clearly. It disturbs old and sick people. Students who are studying are also disturbed. Points to remember. We should speak softly. We should keep the volume of mobile, television, radio, etc. low. We should avoid using horns as much as possible. Force. A force can cause objects to start moving, stop, change direction, or move faster or slower. For example, when you lift a book, it moves because you have applied force to pull the book towards you. When you hit a shuttlecock, it goes to the other side because you hit it towards your opponent. Things move when we push or pull them. This pull or push is called force. Force can move things. If something is heavy, we have to use more force to move it. We use less force to move lighter things. Force moves things in different ways: pull, push, lift, squeeze, twist, turn, bend, break, etc. Rapid review. Light helps us to see the things around us. Some natural objects like the sun and the moon give us light. A shadow is formed when something blocks the path of light. Loud sound can cause noise pollution. Push or pull of an object is called force. Like, share, and subscribe.